What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I'm from New Jersey. I do a lot of New Jersey, East Coast lifestyle and travel content. This is gonna just be a kind of simple day in my life. Monday actually, so kind of random. I usually vlog on the weekends, but this weekend was so incredibly rainy and dreary that we really didn't do much. I kind of just worked all weekend. So today it's sunny, it's a little bit nicer out. Start our morning with going to the beach. We're gonna go to Long Branch. I take a little bit of a walk and then I'm picking up some baked goods because we're going to be celebrating my mom's belated birthday tonight. So we'll do some cooking. When we get back, I'll be doing some work, but definitely want to get outside a little bit today and take you guys along. They have this outdoor gym here, which is really cool. Definitely checking this out. Are you excited that we found an outdoor park to work out in? This is really cool. Yeah, what do you do with these? Oh, okay. It's like the rings. And then we're right by the beach. Try to get an outdoor workout in. I forgot how hard this is.
If it's too hard, just use your knees.
Like this?
Yeah. Just raise your knees. It's 9 kilograms.
Oh, 20 minutes. I'm definitely feeling the burn. I like never work out my calves. Do you think you could do this one? Let's see if you could do it.
This is moving too much. I can't do it on one of these.
I don't think you're supposed to do it on that.
You're one of the easier things.
I can't do the tricep dips. That's literally the best I can do for a tricep dip. It's such a nice day out for this. My knee just cracked. I need to start with the level. Got home from walking around Long Branch and it was so pretty. It was a little bit windy, but the weather felt so nice, and we came across the Seven Presidents skate park, which has an outdoor gym area. Doing a little bit of that, which was really nice to get a little exercise in. Took a little walk around the area. We stopped at Trader Joe's, got a couple things to make dinner tonight for my mom's birthday. We're gonna do risotto with shrimp, scallops, mushrooms, and I'm gonna make a cheesy garlic bread, and then we'll do some broccoli and cauliflower in the air fryer. We love doing vegetables in the air fryer. Just tastes so good. It was a great start to the day going over to the beach. Just gonna eat something now. I'm gonna make some eggs with avocado toast, and then I'm gonna get some work started for the day. going to get some work going for the day. So I do have a part-time job where I manage the social media and digital marketing aspects of the business. For a local business, I am a marketing manager, so that's anything digital marketing related, email marketing, any in-house marketing. I've been doing that part-time for a couple months, but lately it's been a little more hours because there's just been a lot going on with the business. And then I do my own social media on the side, so that's what you're watching right now. My YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, those are the main apps that I'm on. And then I also have my blog, lifestylejessica.com. Right now I need to do a little bit of work for my part-time job. This upcoming week is going to be pretty busy with going on location for the local business, more so like a remote job, but we will be going in quite a few days this week. Today, while I have the time, I'm just going to get some work done from home and then do a couple things for my own social media. It's a little after 6 p.m. now. I'm going to stop my work for now and get to cooking. Wrapped up my work for my part-time job, and we're adding a new element to the marketing realm there, which is PR and influencer marketing. So I've been learning a lot about that. So I'm really enjoying it. I'm going to get to cooking now. Next morning now, we had a really nice dinner last night. I know I didn't show the final product, I totally forgot, but it was really good. Risotto with shrimp and scallops. We got the shrimp frozen from Trader Joe's. I did a little dessert platter with the pastries that I got from the bakery in Long Branch yesterday. It's the next day now. I'm heading off to work, working a couple days this week on location. Not really going to be doing anything too exciting, so probably not going to vlog until the weekend, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any uploads, and I hope to see you all in the next video.